is the scare zone. I'm walking into the endo. I'm just looking out at the living room right now on Tuesday, November 11th, 2025, and I saw a tall, slender skeleton earlier. What was that? Holy shit. You never see ghost in this chair in the morning or fat ghost. They're nowhere to be found right now. What was that? Oh, there's somebody. Skinny ghost. And I haven't seen cute girl ghost lately.